Imagine gaining over 100 pounds due to stress and unhealthy eating habits. This was the reality for Lexley Hudson, a 33-year-old woman from Texas. Lexley was working a high-stress job and frequently turned to fast food and sugary snacks as a way of coping. She was caught in a vicious cycle, eating to deal with stress and then stressing about her ever-increasing weight. Her life was in turmoil, her health was deteriorating, and her self-esteem was at an all-time low. In January 2016, Lexley decided that enough was enough. She resolved to take control of her life and her health. She drastically changed her diet, swapping junk food for nutritious, balanced meals. She started a regular exercise routine, going from barely being able to walk around the block to taking part in 5K runs. Over a period of 2.5 years, Lexley managed to lose an astonishing 187 pounds. Now, imagine Linda Migliaccio. Linda, a mother from New Jersey, gained 200 pounds while caring for her ailing mother. The stress of her mother's illness, coupled with the demands of her own family, saw Linda turning to food for comfort. Her weight, like Lexley's, spiraled out of control. An accident that resulted in a torn ACL and meniscus made it even more challenging for her to shed the pounds. Despite this setback, Linda was determined to regain her health. She adopted a nutritarian diet, a way of eating that focuses on foods that are rich in vitamins, minerals, and other micronutrients. She started incorporating more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins into her meals. With perseverance and a positive attitude, she managed to shed a remarkable 189 pounds in 2 years. Let's now look at the story of Ann Wolf from Wisconsin. Ann, a mother, saw her weight skyrocket by over 100 pounds during pregnancy. This massive weight gain took a toll on her health and left her feeling sluggish and exhausted. She knew that she needed to make a change, both for her health and for the sake of her child. Ann joined Weight Watchers. With the help of their point system, she learned to make healthier food choices. She also started getting more active, taking her baby in the park and gradually increasing her fitness levels. Ann's determination paid off. She lost an impressive 207 pounds in just over 2 years. These are just 3 of the many extraordinary stories of individuals who committed to a healthier lifestyle and achieved incredible weight loss transformations. Each of these stories is unique, yet they all share common themes: determination, resilience, and consistency. These individuals fought against their circumstances, against their past habits, and against society's expectations. They proved that weight loss is more than just a physical transformation. It's an emotional and mental journey as well. Remember, it's not about rapid results, but consistent efforts. For more inspiring content on health and wellness, subscribe to Lifestyle Lifters. Together, we can embrace the journey to a healthier, happier self.